Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Pocket Forex, Trading and Signals app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Pocket Forex, Trading and Signals is a mobile platform designed to help traders make more informed decisions in the Forex market. The app provides real-time trading signals, market analysis, economic news, and chart insights aimed at both beginner and intermediate traders. It is available on iOS and Android and focuses on simplifying Forex market data so users can act quickly and confidently. The app's main feature is its Forex signal alerts, which notify you when the market conditions match predefined trading strategies. These signals often include entry points, stop-loss levels, and take-profit suggestions. Pocket Forex also provides market trend analysis, a built-in economic calendar, and risk management insights. Many users rely on its organized dashboards to track various currency pairs and monitor market volatility throughout the day. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the timely signals, clean interface, and helpful explanations behind the trading alerts. The economic updates and trend analysis tools are especially useful for traders who want quick insights without switching between multiple platforms. The app also helps new traders learn how signals work by giving clear explanations for each alert. However, there are some drawbacks. Forex signals should never be considered guaranteed predictions, and results may vary widely depending on market conditions. Some users report that certain signals can be delayed or may not match their trading style. The app also includes premium features that require a subscription, which may not be ideal for traders who prefer free-only tools. And of course, Forex trading itself carries significant financial risk, especially for beginners. In summary, the Pocket Forex, Trading and Signals app may be worth using if you want simplified market insights, real-time alerts, and helpful tools for improving trading decisions. However, if you rely heavily on automated signals or prefer more advanced trading platforms with full charting tools, it might not be the best standalone solution for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.